wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Buama Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Hello viewers, welcome back. Welcome to my studio, Henry.
Thank you.
You look very good.
Thanks for the comments.
So when we say Henry, you see in Halfring Films, people have been saying, hey, this boy is acting this role, Henry. Who is Henry?
I'll start by my name, my full name. I'm Henry Donko Siam.
Siam, one of my classmates.
That's my name. And I'll say Henry is an ambitious guy who wanted to show up his talents.
Okay.
So that's a little bit about Henry.
That's very good. I like your introduction. Very nice. But back of the introduction,
Sir. It's him.
I've been seeing the names. My settle record. So how did you get? Who you then about Halfring Films?
Let's say I was an end product of an audition.
Okay.
Yeah. After the audition, I think I was part of the chaff. They did not take me. So it was through a brother, and his name is Sims, our director.
Hey, Sims again.
Yeah.
Dead.
My director.
Director,
He's the one who
unless you bury me.
Oh, you know that.
Hey.
You know that.
Sims. It's the same as your director.
Yeah. I be like when you start something, you want to bring people to that project.
Coming together to help is better than spreading up yourself.
And as the director, you are mostly they are into the casting, so they know who to bring. You get it. Yeah. So I'll say he's the one who brought the idea and added me to his crew.
How was the first time like you sat in front of a camera and the director then seems to told you that roll action? How did you feel?
I became nervous at once. I'm someone I've been speaking in front of crowd, so I thought I had that vim.
Okay.
But when I saw the camera, then I was shaking.
Speaking in front of crowd. Why?
I'm like.
Are you a pastor?
No, let's see.
Are you
I'm a church boy. You see, I'm a church boy. Then.
Church boy.
Yeah. If they say me,
I will sack you.
I beg. So like when I was in front of the camera, I was a bit nervous, but they say that practice make a man perfect. Okay, so with that, I became a little bit.
So what do you like about your character, the role you played in that?
My character, I would say I'm someone who wanted to find the best for his friend, but also was not into any hard work and was always dependent on his friend. You say that, yeah.
Why don't you go and hustle by yourself or rather depending on someone?
Oh, well, actually, you see.
You see, you're failing to
no, you see, I even suggested saying,
you know what should that person do? We need to make a new and I say you were expecting something from him, and that person should also need information.
No, like you see the economy, I was in a bad moment. So, as a friend, I thought maybe you can help me so that when I'm on my feet. You see, you say, the piano, and I so sounds when the ember and it. So like, he was the one who was on helping me.
So who is your role model so far?
Well, I'll say my dad.
Your dad is your role model. Why is your dad an actor?
No, he was into it, but it didn't come out. He didn't get
the way he wanted. Yeah. Okay. So since your dad couldn't make it, you want to do it.
Yeah.
So that
I want to get it. You see, I'm starting from when my dad left.
Oh, so you are continuing.
I would say it didn't even get that way. I didn't get that far away. You see, like it was between them. It didn't go anywhere. So I want to start from that place and project it.
What's your advice to the youth?
Well, I would say just be yourself. You see, if you are dependent on someone, like my character in the series, once I was dependent on someone, I'll go disappointed. You see,
yes, definitely. That's what I was telling you earlier. You shouldn't depend on someone.
Life, you know, if you're dependent on someone, you can be disappointed. You can any moment. So the answer the one I think you believe yourself, not somebody or you try yourself.
So since you started acting that movie, what comments did you get from everyone when they see you walking around like Henry?
You see like the Bible, they say and you'll be ahead the yourself. You see.
Yes.
I had comment that I was
doing also says someone hit you. Pretend they love you now.
You see that thing. Like you get hypocrite. So I had someone who said I was doing better but I can't improve. And I had someone who said that it doesn't befit me because actually I'm a science student. So you need to expect a science student to be into acting.
Science show.
No, they'll be by anything.
Science show, before we end.
Yeah.
I've given you a new name, Science show.
No,
so we are cancelling.
I prefer the name to the science show.
No, Science show. You are a science student.
Yeah, no, I was.
You were once a science student.
Yeah. Way back, like probably Achet.
Probably Achet. There's a school where you
No, maybe.
Urian as a science student.
Yeah, maybe as a science student.
So say it like this way. I was once a science student.
Okay, sorry, like I was once a science student.
Yeah. When you were in school.
So as a science student, you wouldn't expect that science student to be into acting or something. So like I get that negative comment that as a science student, why am I moving from my course to something that is not part of the course? But
okay.
Okay.
You have talked much, and I like the way you talk. Very, very. In fact, even we can say, "Oh, many and then." So it made you good as a science student because and can I say art for no. Be a your art way, acting. But in fact, you have done well. Why you at young Kasanka? So do you know something? Just say shout out to 5 people there.
5?
Yes.
If I become
5.
Wait. Okay. The first shout out go to the big guy, the boss.
Boss.
Chairman about top one, you know.
Oh, okay.
Oh, senior man.
Is that a chairman?
Hey, chairman Bozi. See, I'm not the man.
Martin.
We are now the man. A crew. Yeah.
The crew.
Yeah, and I'll give it to my parents. Shout out, yeah.
Daddy really loves you so much.
In fact, and the subscribers, the viewers, everyone who is helping promoting the series. Yeah, shout out.
May God richly bless you all.
Yeah.
And keep on watching Halfway. Never get tired of watching Halfway.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Henry.
Merci beaucoup.
Mr. Sancho, again, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Halfway Films, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it because there are more to come. And this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.